Moving on, a rare show of unity from the world's top central bankers has put the US Federal Reserve at the center of a growing political storm. As President Donald Trump renews pressure on Fed Chair Jerome Powell to cut interest rates, global financial leaders are warning that the independence of central banks, a pillar of economic stability, is under threat. As a report by DD India's Harshita Oberoi.
Top central bank chiefs from across the world have rallied firmly behind the US Federal Reserve and its chair, Jerome Powell, warning that protecting central bank independence is essential for economic stability. The statement, backed by heavyweight figures including European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde and Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey, praised Powell's integrity and his commitment to the public interest. Their joint statement came after an unprecedented move by US prosecutors who issued subpoenas threatening criminal charges against Powell, a step widely seen as a dramatic escalation of President Donald Trump's campaign against the Fed. US President Donald Trump, however, kept up his criticism. On Tuesday, he again demanded that Powell lower borrowing costs after government data showed consumer prices rose 2.7% in December from a year earlier. Trump also repeated accusations of wrongdoing over the costly renovation of the Fed's Washington headquarters.
The inflation numbers just came out, and we have very low inflation, so that would give Kool-Aid Powell the chance to give us a nice, beautiful, big rate cut, which would be great. Well, he's billions of dollars over budget, so he either is incompetent or he's crooked. I don't know what he is, but he certainly doesn't do a very good job.
The pressure campaign has triggered concern across financial and political circles. JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon warned that political interference with the Fed could have damaging consequences. Former Federal Reserve chiefs and several Republican senators also condemned the investigation, calling it an attack on the Fed's independence. But President Trump brushed aside that criticism. He argued the Fed was mismanaged and reiterated call for lower interest rates. Harshita Oberoi for DD India.